Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have 4 Effectsier animations from the results of MZ Battle Animation Showdown Contest, a pack of 10 dragon enemies and 10 battlebacks in the Last Boss Pack Volume 3 by Jikun and Komodo, an enemy battler of Gower from Cthulhu mythology, and a sea serpent by Ujie Masala, a character out of a detective female by Maruma Shumaro, a human possessed by flowers by Tanaka Ingawa, pop fantasy NPC and big monster face sets by Yota and Gotcha Gotcha Games, and a character art of a purple-haired schoolgirl by Taketo. Cosmo Quantum Intensive Program, a Chrono Engine-based coaching cult simulator game. A pack of eye generator parts for Sprites by Dame Damo Osamaida. A music pack of 20 retro-futuristic tracks by Joel Studler and Komodo. New Year-themed music tracks by Vanitas Original. 100 synthwave music loops by Lizzie. Witching Hour, a pack of around 30 dark music loops by Michael, and a pack of 12 loops of various genres by Panos Kotselinis. An MV plugin by Slins that allows adding a level and experience draining skill for enemies and actors. An MV plugin by Drag and Plugin In that allows creating custom shops with limited inventory. An MV plugin by PaletteCon that allows switching actor positions during battle. A collection of MV plugins by JPST. These are too many to go through in video, so check them out yourself. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows changing the display speed of messages. An MV and MZ plugin by Lulu's Church that displays a warning to the player when closing the game. Another MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows changing the Z coordinate or display priority for each picture. An MV and MZ plugin by Isabella Eva that allows testing hundreds of battles automatically and then produces the results in a log. An MZ plugin by Toriakontan that allows setting the default parallax background for all maps. An MZ plugin by Corvin Dev that allows translating regular letters to an in-game language, like Final Fantasy X's Ulbed. An MZ plugin by Kurodo that can show a scene that displays information with text and pictures. Another MZ plugin by Kurodo that allows showing images which always show on the game screen. An MZ plugin by Shiguren that allows transferring a player to a specific position when they hit Game Over instead of returning to the title screen. An MZ plugin by Basu that can display face image as a picture. An MZ plugin by Drag and Plugin In that allows making tiles transparent. An MZ plugin by Dark Plasma that adds an item warehouse scene. Another MZ plugin by Toriakontan that lets the message window continue to display when a specific switch is on. A bug fix plugin for MZ by Panda that makes enemies' revival target random instead of always reviving the first death. Another MZ plugin by Basu that allows teleporting using a skill or item. 2 packs of fantasy sprite sets by Noah Asid. MZ has been updated to version 1.4.3, fixing several bugs. A pack of pixel art UI borders by GX310. 64 random pattern backgrounds by Mionto Maru Magnuson. Tiny Tail character sprites for NPC Magitech Dynasty and NPC Monstrous Surprising by Megatiles. World of Solaria Fountains by Jamie Brownhill. A tileset pack of an isometric cyberpunk city by Max Parata. A resource staff asset pack from December 2021 by Avery Candace's Hidden One and Kaz. An article tutorial by Hidden One for walking on diagonal stairs. And lastly, a detailed video review by Toasty Time on the best bad RPG Maker game. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.